Hey guys, the Pneumatics here. I got something really cool for you today. I have an unboxing of the new OnePlus 5T. Now I've been meaning to get this video out for a while. I actually got this phone a couple weeks after it came out. The phone was released in November of 2017, but I've been pretty busy and I kind of forgot that I actually recorded this video until I was going through my videos today and came across this and decided that I would record a voiceover for it and get it uploaded. So this is the OnePlus 5T. This is the 8 GB RAM version and the 128 GB ROM. I actually don't have the phone anymore. I meant to actually do an unboxing, kind of show around the phone, and then give you guys an opportunity to purchase the phone for a little bit less than retail. But I forgot to record the voiceover for this video and get it uploaded, so the phone's already sold. Actually sold for more than I bought it for, which I was pretty surprised. Sold for a little bit over 600. I only paid 549 and I bought it from the OnePlus 5 or the OnePlus website, yeah. So as you can see inside the box here, you get the charger and the USB-C cable in there. It's a pretty big power brick, as you can see. Set the phone aside here for a second and we'll see what's in this little box right here. I think that's what I did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. This thing was kind of a pain to get out of that plastic, as you could see there. As you can see, it's black on the back, got kind of a matte finish. Got the nice dual cameras up in the top. Kind of looks like a 7 Plus iPhone from the back a little bit, with those dual cameras up in the top left hand corner there. As you can see, it also has the fingerprint reader on the back. Come on, I don't know what I was doing in this video. It took me so long. Okay, anyway, here we go. Let's see what's in this box here. We have this super nice silicone case that comes with the phone. Also kind of your quick start manuals and a SIM key at the bottom there. I was actually really surprised that this phone came with a case like this. Actually, the Samsung Galaxy Note FE came with a very similar case, and I never even figured out it was in the box. It's not, the lady that purchased it let me know that it was in there. So booting it up real quick here. It's got kind of this like orbiting balls around this red circle. Welcome. Alright, so I think I set the phone aside and updated it. Yep, set the phone aside, updated it, and came back. This phone is running, I believe, Android 7.1.1. I think I'm going to check it real quick here. Yeah, well, it's got Oxygen OS 4.7.2. I really like that Oxygen OS. The only bad thing about it is I heard that it's going to delay getting Android Oreo to this phone, so that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day, guys. Peace.